Understanding, pare it down. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that can be a bit tricky: pare it down. If you've heard this phrase before and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and dissect the meaning together. Pare it down is a phrase that means to reduce something in size, amount, or number. It's often used when speaking about removing excess or unnecessary parts. Think of it like peeling an apple. You're taking away the parts you don't need to get to the good stuff. We pare things down to make them simpler or to focus on what's truly important. The word pare comes from the Latin word parare, which means to prepare or to trim. It entered English in the 13th century and originally referred to cutting away the outer surface. Today, when we pare something down, we are metaphorically trimming away the non-essential parts, much like preparing a fruit by peeling it. Using pare it down in a sentence is simple. For example, the editor asked the writer to pare down the article to 500 words. We need to pare down our expenses to stay within the budget. Remember, it's all about reduction and simplification. This versatile phrase can be used in various contexts. Here are a few. Writing: pare down your essay to the required word count. Budgeting: we must pare down our monthly spending. Design: the designer pared down the decor for a minimalist look. Pare it down is a great phrase to know because it helps convey the idea of simplifying or minimizing in a concise way. Hopefully, you now feel confident using this phrase in your daily English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.